Okay, looking at the Bitcoin US dollar 4 hour chart. From the analysis here, I'll be dropping a cap of what happened in the week and my expectation of price movement upfront. Okay, okay, just similar to the previous videos. Like I always say, the price is still trading this range, this horizontal resistance and this horizontal support. In between, I have this, in between the horizontal resistance and the horizontal support, I have this trend line here serving as my descending or diagonal resistance. Okay, okay, yeah, I've also established another one. This is my ascending support. This trend line here is my ascending support. You can see here, you can see here. Okay, going to the 1 hour chart, you can have a border V here and also specify on the areas where the price played in the week. Okay, I think the price played this area, this areas is where the price played in the week. Okay, so you can see here that, yeah, ascending support, this trend line. You can see here, you can see touches, yeah, double bottom. You can see here liquidation, touch here. Okay, but remember we have this other major descending resistance. This trend line here is descending resistance. But what happened there, we can see here we had a double top chart pattern at this point. 1 2, price are expecting the diagonal resistance, came back to this level here. We have a double bottom here. The price kept on rallying, and we can see here what happened at this point. We had a breakout. See, the price not respecting this diagonal resistance anymore. 1 2, we would have seen price come to this point and see sell from this point, sell further to the downside. But rather what happened here, the price went to the upside. Now we can see it's at the horizontal resistance structure here. This is a horizontal resistance level. You can see the price broke out of the diagonal. It broke out of the diagonal here and came to the horizontal. It came to the horizontal resistance. Okay, so making this clearer here, I can see that the price is trading this range, this horizontal resistance currently here, and this horizontal support, this zone resistance, and horizontal support, which occurred after the breakout of the diagonal. Okay, why do I call here horizontal support? You can see here, you can see this point here, we had a rejection here, but see this big bullish candle which caused the breakout. You can see this obvious big breakout. So this old resistance here can serve as a support, and also we have some sort of fair value gap at this point. Okay, that is why I called here a support level. Okay, so currently we are in this range here, horizontal resistance here and horizontal support. Okay, so we'll be looking closely what the price is doing in between. So if the price come back slow, if it come back low to this point here, horizontal support, this level here, we can take a buy back to the top. But if we have price keep rallying and we have a breakout of this horizontal resistance, we can trade the break or wait for a test. Okay, let me practicalize this. Let me show you with illustration. Okay, so we are buying, right? If the price comes back low to this area, this support level, buy again, put our stop below. Okay, below, and trade back up. Okay, so this is the plan. If we have price come back, if we have price come back low, okay, to this point, this area here, currently the price is just stuck at the center. Okay, so it's neither high or low at this point, so it's dangerous to take decisions. So we have to wait. If the price will come back low to this point, this horizontal support here, we can put in a buy here, put our stop just few pips below. Okay, and trade back to the top. Okay, a good trade. Okay, and we can go the, we can, I won't like to be selling because of the momentum here. It's more like the bulls are building on a momentum. So I would suggest selling at this resistance level may be dangerous. This horizontal resistance. Rather, what I want to see is either price coming to the support and I'll buy from the support just as illustrated here, or I will watch to see what will happen when the price get back to this horizontal resistance level. You can see here resistance. So if I have a break to the upside, yeah, so I can do something like this, trade the break. place my stop below and trade back to this. Looking at the left, you can see another horizontal resistance. Okay, trade back to maybe these areas. Okay, good trade. Okay, so I want to see what will happen now if I get to this horizontal resistance level we have here. If I will have a break to the upside, so we can put on a trade and go north. So that is that.